Hi everyone, my name is Donalyn Andriano, a BIRCT4F student of Cebu Technological University, San Francisco campus. And for today's video, we are going to disassemble and assemble a system unit. So, let's go! In this video, we will learn the parts of a system unit, how to disassemble a system unit, how to assemble a system unit. First, what is a system unit? The system unit is, at first glance, a simple engineering solution in the form of a box, but it has an important purpose: to combine essential components for the computer to work. Its main functions are to protect the computer from external influences and mechanical damage and maintain an optimal temperature regime inside. Typically, the system unit is made of aluminum, steel, or plastic. What are the system unit components? So, first, motherboard, the primary device of a system unit. All other devices are connected to it. The motherboard unites all computer devices such as video card, RAM, sound card, hard drive, and etc., and links them together, subsequently regulating their closed network. So another components of a system unit, processor, is an incredibly complex chip that performs billions of mathematical calculations per second. It is also called a central processing unit or CPU. Another components of a system unit is RAM or random access memory. System memory, the RAM, is connected directly to the motherboard and carries out a fast exchange of information with the processor. So, next is hard drive, a mechanical drive that works on the principle of magnetic recording, is the central storage of data on most computers. So that's a hard drive. Another components, video card or graphics adapter, graphics accelerator, a computer component responsible for generating and displaying images. Modern video cards support HDMI or high definition multimedia interface, VGA or video graphics array. And next is power supply, a component that converts electrical energy into direct current required by the computer. So let's start disassembling and assembling a system unit. So first step in disassembling, unscrew and then remove the case cover. Next is unplug the bus cables and ATX power cables. Remove adapter cards. Remove the processor and heatsink and fan. Another steps, remove the processor. Next is remove hard disk and CD or DVD drive. Next, remove memory modules. So, next, remove the power supply unit or PSU. Another is remove the motherboard. So we're going to unscrew to remove the motherboard. Next is assemble the system unit. So these are the components of a system unit. Prepare your CPU cabinet and then install the motherboard. Next is install the processor or CPU. Install the CPU heatsink. Another, install the RAM or random access memory. And next, install the power supply unit. Next, install HDD or hard disk drive. Next, to install CD or DVD. And then install expansion cards,